Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem from the topic functions. So before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you, you can get more important problems of mathematics on our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can get all these questions? You need to visit our website education-adda.com. Then go to menu option and select academic Adda. Under academic Adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay. So coming back to the discussion, see what is given here in this problem. Three functions are given: fx, gx and hx. Okay, and we have to evaluate gof of x for x equal to -2, and we have to write our answer in the simplest form. Okay, so fx is given as x cube minus 5x, gx is given at square root of 5x, and hx is given as 2x plus 5. And we know that gof of x is equal to g of fx. Okay, g of fx. So what is g of fx? Fx will be a input for gx. Okay, so we have to substitute x by fx into gx equal to under root 5x. Okay, because gx equal to root 5x it is given. So under root 5 into, at the place of x we need to write fx. Okay, so this is under root 5 into fx, and we know fx is given as x cube minus 5x. So substituting fx we will get 5 under root of 5 multiplied by x cube minus 5x. Therefore gof of x equal to square root of 5 into x cube minus 5x. Okay, now we have to find gof of x at x equal to -2. Therefore, substituting x equal to -2, we will get gof of -2 equal to 5. At the place of x you need to substitute -2. So 5 into -2 whole cube minus of 5 into -2. So we will get the required value of gof of -2 equal to square root of 10 after simplification. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of functions. Okay, thank you.